I have here the default demo content, and I have here the default category to People Square. I will add now the website button here with custom link. I will go to dashboard, to plugins, plugin editor. Here it is selected a node WordPress, and here it is select Cocoa Basic shortcut PHP. I will go to this line here, 971, add some space, and we'll add this code here. You here can change the link, so here it is the link. I have set the link to the Google, and here set a text update. And when I check now the home page, here it is. This is a website. When I click, it takes me to the Google. Also, when I open some category, here it is also the link to the website.